Welcome to this new step-by-step video on how to successfully operate an ONIS 30-inch. Before operate, the following steps must be completed to ensure safe operation. Step 1. Always begin by checking the condition of the seals. If any seals are damaged, they must be replaced before proceeding with the operation. Step 2. Authorize the operation by using the key provided. With authorization granted, we move on to Step 3. Spread the half bodies using the gearbox. Step 4. Switch the slide gate position using the hand wheel. Step 5. Clamp the half bodies using the gearbox. Step 6. Lock the ONIS Line Blind with the key. You have now successfully operated an ONIS 30-inch. Always remember to follow these steps carefully to operate it safely and efficiently. Thank you for watching. Do not hesitate to visit our website for more content.